This is like satay sauce?
It's just like a peanut sauce. It's
Yeah.
not so satay.
That's good.
You like it that way?
Mm-hmm.
Ah. Halo guys, balik lagi di Bina Channel. Nah, apa kabar teman-teman? Teman-teman pada tahu nggak sih kalau orang-orang yang tinggal di luar negeri itu berbagai jenis rupanya. Dalam artinya nggak semua makan makanan daging gitu. Nah, kebetulan aku punya teman orang Jerman yang dia itu vegan, yang cuma makan murni tumbuh-tumbuhan, jadi nggak makan apapun yang berbau binatang. Nah, kalau ngomongin masalah vegan kan masih banyak banget orang-orang yang ada di negara luar seperti di sini yang belum tahu kalau soybean itu adalah sumber protein yang sangat tinggi gitu kan. Jadi tahu udah mulai populer ya di sini, jadi udah banyak yang tahu dan juga banyak teman-teman vegan yang masak pakai tahu. Nah, kalau tempe nih teman-teman baru booming. Di Vancouver, tempat aku tinggal, tempe itu surprisingly udah bisa ditemuin di berbagai supermarket. Walaupun sebenarnya masih belum banyak banget, paling mereka cuma punya satu jenis, dan yang biasanya orang beli itu smoked tempe, jadi tempenya itu seperti diasap. Dan aku pribadi nggak terlalu suka, karena aku taunya kan tempe yang original. Nah, si temanku yang vegan ini, ternyata dia itu belum pernah makan tempe. Nah, makanya teman-teman ya, aku nggak akan mau ngelewatin kesempatan ini buat memperkenalkan tempe ke teman aku yang vegan. Ini adalah makanan yang sangat nikmat. Nah, semoga dia suka, karena untuk tempe sendiri kita nggak tahu ya, kadang lidah-lidah juga gitu. Karena ada yang makan terus jadi jatuh cinta, ada yang makan terus kayak nggak tahu, seperti ini kemarin. Atau ada juga yang butuh waktu sampai mereka jadi suka sama tempe. Untuk tempenya sendiri, aku mau masak easy teman-teman. Jadi aku bakal bikin tempe mendoan. Oh, bisa tempe mendoan teman-teman, aku juga bakal bikinin bakwan. So, basically sebenarnya aku bakal kasih dia gorengan. Oke, let's cook. Untuk adonan tempe mendoannya sendiri teman-teman itu gampang banget. Jadi teman-teman cuma butuh tempe, daun bawang, tepung terigu, tepung beras, dan sedikit tepung tapioka, air, garam, dan lada. Nah, untuk perbandingannya tepung terigu dan tepung beras sendiri itu aku pakainya 2:1. Untuk 2 sendok tepung terigu, teman-teman tambahkan 1 sendok tepung beras. Sedangkan tepung tapiokanya sendiri itu aku sih ngasihnya cuma sedikit aja gitu. Kalau menurut aku sendiri, rahasia crunchy-nya itu ada di panasnya penggorengan. Jadi kalau misalnya minyaknya panas, nah itu dia bakal crunchy banget. Hi guys!
Hello.
So, welcome back to our channel, and today, as I mentioned before in the introduction, we have a special guest, and I'm just gonna let her to introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm from Germany and I'm here on a gap year in Canada. Like where I am.
Where is it?
Indonesia, what?
Yeah.
So yes, I mentioned that Emma is a vegan, so I try to cook all our veggies food for Emma. So we'll see. I mean, for the boys as well, of course. And they also love to eat healthy stuff, so that's why I thought, okay, let's invite them. If you wonder why Tiago is not here, there's 2 reasons. One reason he's busy, and the other reason he's not really into veggies.
There's no meat.
There's no meat, there's only veggies. So Tiago said next time when there's meat, so he's gonna join us again. Okay, I talked to Emma before, like to explain her that Indonesian have a good source of protein from the plant,
Yeah.
which is we use a lot of like soybean, and then we call it tempe.
Yeah.
Alex know it. Nick had tried it before, but in different art. So this one is like our most favorite style of like cooking tempeh.
Okay.
So you fry it basically with flour, and then you put green onions, and then like a bit salt, and then also with the garlic. Yeah, you fried it, and then you eat with like this sauce, or this one is a peanut sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I'm curious because Nick said the first time you said like, yeah, you have to be friend with them.
Round 2.
So we'll see
Let's
whether
see.
you're gonna like it or not. And this one is veggies one. So I made 2 different kinds. So Indonesia love to eat this fried stuff.
Oh, they're
This
different.
one, yeah. So this one is with veggies. So it is no
And then
tempe.
this is tempe.
And the other one is tempe. So cabbage
Okay.
and carrot. Have a grab.
Let's go.
Enjoy.
Tempe.
Tempe.
Like this. Okay. With fingers? Yeah.
Okay.
Go barbaric.
Don't worry, we are barbaric.
You want some?
Yeah.
Yang gitu?
This is like satay sauce?
It's just like a peanut sauce. It's
Yeah.
not so satay.
That's good.
You like it that way?
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Friends. It's
It's
actually
really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Yes.
Tastes like nuggets or something.
Yeah. But it's high protein.
Actually, it does. It tastes like vegan nuggets.
Oh.
Oh, maybe
Like
it made from
it has
something.
the meat inside has like that McDonald's texture that you can't get.
Is that
with
good or
normal-
bad?
That's a good thing.
That's good.
I love nuggets. And we gotta try that peanut sauce.
Indonesian way, you bite this, take the food and bite it. But if you don't do that, don't try
Is
it.
it like really spicy?
Well, we'll
I don't
find
know.
out.
Like spicy, but not too much.
I think it's
Like-
gonna be spicy because I bought it from the Southeast Asian store.
Just put some here.
Okay. So Indonesian
Okay,
way
Mama.
to
We
eating
will
this
try it,
kind
yeah?
of gorengan. So yeah,
Okay.
you bite in your mouth
Just-
and then you're gonna see the boys doing it.
Hold on. Should I mix it with the?
Whatever you like.
Okay, let's see.
This was just vegetables.
Yeah, just like
Yeah.
mixed vegetable with flour and then you just fried it.
Okay.
Okay.
Try it. Oh, you finished just whole of it. My God, again. Is it?
It's not bad. It's really spicy.
It's okay. Okay, then I'm just gonna get one.
Yeah. I also want to try.
Not as hot as the red one, I think. It is spicy though, so.
That last one was really good. Guy over
Like the last one.
Mexico.
So yeah, maybe try a little bit first.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
like peek.
This is the proper one to eat gorengan.
Oh, we can eat more actually of this, I think.
Sure.
It's not bad, right?
No, it's good. Really
Yeah, it
good.
was really good with the food. That's what we eat in Indonesia.
I give it a go.
There we go. Yeah. Just don't bite all of it. Of course, it's gonna be spicy.
You got the small one. And usually, if you get like a baby scorpio, that's the venom from the baby scorpio is like 10 times worse.
Yeah.
Because this 10 times more hot.
Maybe.
Give it a try.
I'm gonna tell.
Nick, don't lie.
Nick, don't worry. It's spicy. Oh, it's getting red.
Don't like it?
It's alright.
You want sugar?
Sugar and spice and everything nice. Nick don't like that.
Eat some
no.
of this sauce, maybe it neutralizes.
No, it's peanuts. That burns.
Oh,
Oh.
is that spicy?
Now it's getting spicy.
Yeah, because you're getting in the middle
Yeah, I
where the
think.
seeds are.
Yeah, the seeds are the just. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's getting spicy though. Yeah, I just like half of it.
Yeah, probably they made it mild for like Indonesian measurements, but like for Western standards, it's still spicy.
This one.
You want some?
Oh, you still ate only two.
Oh no, it's fine. No. You don't want?
I didn't try that much. I thought it was just...
That was.
Well, this was really good.
So, Nick like tempe.
Yeah, that was delicious. No, that was good friends. Good friends.
The end of it really is spicy. Yep.
Yeah. And when you bite it, you don't really feel it, right? Until you like
And then after half a minute,
shovel the food and then you wait and then...
I think I did a good
Yeah.
attempt. It's alright.
Yeah. Look.
oh yeah.
Was enough.
So,
And choices.
tempeh is
but-
just completely different to tofu.
They're made from the same...
Just different consistency.
Exactly.
But how
Okay.
do you get it? Is like
They have like in the
or-
package, like they're gonna say it like
Like a tofu
Bring it.
package.
Do you have one?
No, I have the Indonesian one, which is you cannot
This
find
is
it here.
Singapore.
Oops.
Saitan?
Sorry, but like
Oh, so
It's like-
this is how
yeah.
it looks like.
Oh,
Okay.
When it's fresh, it looks gonna be like white. And
It looks like peanuts with. Do you know turon? Turon? It's like a Spanish dish, like the Spanish candy.
The beans are.
Oh yeah, no. It's
The
like a
beans
Turkish.
are. This
Turkish
is like
candy.
what you call it? It's a Japanese one.
And where do you buy? Where did you buy it?
Oh, this one is in Indonesian store.
But where's the Indonesian store?
The European or like the Western style one, even you can buy at the Choices or Urban Fare.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much everywhere. You can ask them where do you carry tempe?
Yeah.
I think they
Tempe.
know where tempe. Yeah.
I really liked it. I think I never tried tempeh before, so it was new for me, and I think I like it more than the vegetable one.
Alright.
And I like the consistency of it because it reminds me of nuggets,
Right.
like vegan nuggets. So it's really good, and I think I want to cook it like again, try it by myself.
Yeah, you should definitely. I can teach you also the recipe, so if you want to try some
Yeah.
Indonesian one.
Sure, of
Cool.
course.
Second time eating tempeh.
We're friends now.
Finally.
So I think I have become friends with tempeh. The way Nancy prepared it was delicious. Crunchy on the outside and then that rubbery consistency in the middle. It reminded me of like McDonald's chicken nuggets. And everybody loves those chicken nuggets.
That's true.
The veggie one, it reminded me of a Hungarian version as well called lepcsanka. It's basically just made out of potatoes
Right.
and mixed with flour. But this one was a lot healthier because there were lots of vegetables.
Yeah, carrot and
I give it a double thumbs up.
Hey, cool, thank you.
Yeah, I don't know what else can I say. So you guys already said everything. It was very delicious. I love the crunchiness and that it's soft inside. It tastes very good. I especially love it to combine with the jabe.
Oh yeah.
I think that gives it like a perfect combination. The spiciness and the crunchiness and everything mixed together. So yeah, it was very good.
I'll be quick. So
No, say a lot.
I love how crunchy is this tempeh. I've tried before. I think you made it before.
Yes.
That's why I kind of knew how was the taste. Well, I knew how was the taste. And I love the combination with the crunchy thing and the spicy. So I love spicy food. The one that I didn't try, I think it was the veggie one.
You didn't try.
No, I didn't. No, I mean I didn't try before. I tried today.
No. Okay.
So I really liked that one.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it was good. In the middle was like spongy and like rubber consistency. So I like it the veggie one better. I don't know why.
Oh, cool. So 1 to 10, what you say? 10 is the best, 1 is the worst.
9.
9. Cool.
I'm gonna give it a 10.
A 10.
I really liked it.
Yay.
And we're friends now.
Yeah, you're friends with tempeh. Cool.
10 for me, I think. From appetizers, I think that's almost one of my favorites. So all the points.
Yeah, as well. I will give it a 10.
Yeah, cool. Oh, you can bye-bye.